Hey guys, it's your girl Chanel, aka Nelly B, and this is my spritz bottle or spray bottle. The contents of this is pretty much part of my almost everyday hair care routine. The good thing about using a spritz in your hair is that it helps to refresh your product that's already in your hair. That way I don't have to reapply product during the week if for some reason I feel like my hair is dry. Now, over the course of the past, how many years have I been natural? 7 years. I've tried so many different versions of a natural hair spritz, but I've been using this particular version for the past few months, and I could say for sure that this is exactly what has been working for me. Now, it goes without saying that what works for me may not work for you. However, I'm sharing this because I just want you guys to have an idea as to what goes into my hair, what is in this, and then you can then take it and tweak it and make it your own. So this is what is in my spray bottle. Lego. So here's a list of everything that you will need. You can get it pretty much at your grocery or at the nearest pharmacy, and they're pretty inexpensive. So my spray bottle is going to be filled up halfway, and the first thing I'm going to put in is the glycerine and the rose water. I'm going to put enough of that so that the spray bottle is going to be 3/4 full when I'm done. Next up is the aloe vera gel. I got this from Organic Touch. She's a local product maker, and I'm gonna add that in until it's almost, but not quite, to the top of the bottle. And then last but not least, I'm using coconut oil. This is from CJA Caribbean, their extra virgin coconut oil, and that's just to top it off, to add a little bit of sealing property to the hairspray. Cover it and give it a good shake, and that is okay. Give it a really good shake, and that is pretty much what I use in my spray bottle for my natural hair care. And that is pretty much it. That's what is in my spray bottle. That's what I use in my hair almost every other day or every 2 to 3 days. It all depends on if I wear my hair out, if it's in a style, the product I may have used before. So it's not an everyday thing. It could be sometimes once a week. It could be sometimes every day. It all depends. At the end of the day, when you try this for yourself, if you do, show me, tag me, you'll know how to find me. I'd love to see your variations of it. Thanks so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye.